A cylindrical pillar is 50 centimeter in diameter and 3.5 meter in height. 50 centimeter in diameter, now it is given in centimeters and height is given in meters. Find the cost of painting the curved surface of the pillar at the rate of 12.50 per meter square. So you have to find the curved surface area here. Then when you multiply with this rate, you will get the total cost. So here height is 3.5 meter. Now this is the diameter. So radius will be 25 centimeter. But again here everything else is given in meter. So this 25 centimeter also has to be converted into meters. So divide by 100, you will get 0.25 meter. So CSA of the pillar will be 2 pi RH, 2 into 22 by 7 into this radius 0.25 into the height, that is 3.5. So these many meters square is the area of the curved surface area of the pillar. So cost of painting for 1 meter square it is 12.5. So for 5.5 meter it will be 5.5 multiplied by 12.5, that is you will get 68.75 rupees. This much will be the cost of painting. Curved surface area of a right circular cylinder is 4.4 meters square. So this is already given, curved surface area of the cylinder, that is 2 pi RH is given to you. If radius of the base of the cylinder is 0.7 meter, so this is given as radius, you have to find the height. So 2 pi RH you will equate it to 4.4 here. Over here you can substitute the value of the radius and you have to find the variable, that is height. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 0.7 into h is equal to 4.4. This 0.7, to make your calculations easier, you can write it as 7 by 10. So this one, it will become 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 10 into h is equal to 4.4. Now 4.4 also can be written as 44 by 10. So this is 2 into 22, that is 44 by 10. So 44 by 10 is 4.4. So 4.4 h is equal to 4.4, which means h is equal to 1. The inner diameter of a circular well is 3.5 meter. This is the inner diameter. It is 10 meter deep. So depth is nothing but the height. So 10 meter, this is the height and this is the diameter. Its inner curved surface area you have to find, and the cost of plastering this curved surface at the rate of 40 per meter square. So once you find the surface inner curved surface area, you can just multiply it with this cost and get the total amount. So inner radius will be 3.5 by 2, that is 1.75 meters, and depth is nothing but the height. So h is equal to 10 meters. So inner curved surface area will be 2 into 22 by 7 into 1.75 into 10. So this much will be the inner curved surface area. This is meter square. And cost of plastering, you will multiply this area with 40. So it will be 4400 rupees. That is the answer. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. So this is the height and this is the diameter. With this you can find radius. Find the total radiating surface in the system. So here length of the cylindrical pipe is given and radius is given, but it is given in centimeter. So you have to convert it into meters. So radius will be 5 by 2, that is 2.5. When you convert it into meters, it will be 0.025 meters. This is the radius. So now the radiating surface will be the CSA, the curved surface area, 2 pi RH. So that is 2 into 22 by 7 into the radius into the height. So that will give you 4.4 meters square. Okay. Now find the lateral or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter in height. So height is this, and 4.2 meter is the diameter, so you have to divide by 2. 2.1 will be the radius. Now here you have to find in the first part you have to find the curved surface area. So CSA will be 2 pi r h, and you can substitute all these values of radius 2.1 and height 4.5, and you can find the first part, that is 59.4 meters square. This will be the CSA of the tank. In second part, how much steel was actually used? If 1 by 12th of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank. So out of this, 1 by 12th of the steel was wasted. There was some amount of wastage also that happened. So how much was actually used is what you have to find out. So in the second part, you have to find out the total surface area of the tank. That means the steel that was required completely to make the tank. So it is given that it is a closed tank. So total surface area will be considered here. 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h. From here you can take 2 pi r common, 2 pi r into h plus r. So here you will substitute the radius and the height, and you will get the total surface area of the tank as this much, 87.12. Now this much was actually required, but then some extra steel was also wasted in making the tank. So let us assume that capital S we are taking as the surface area of the steel sheet that was actually used in making the tank. That means more than 87.12 was actually used. Though this much only surface area was required, but more than this was used. And how much more? S by 12 was wasted. 1 by 12th of this. So S by 12 was wasted. So S minus S by 12 is equal to 87.12. Then you will solve this and find. So this S minus S by 12, this when I take the LCM, it will be 12S minus S by 12, that is 11S by 12. So 11S by 12 is 87.12. Then what will be S? It will be 95.04 meters square. So this much sheet was actually used.